Like it shall be dyed.
Do it like it shall be day. Don't look at me like that. Do not look at me with that tone of voice. I see you looking at me. I always feel like somebody's watching me. So we are here today at the Rare Touch Hair Palace because I am in need of a rare touch. So Nidra is going to hook me up. We're doing something a little bit different. Hopefully I will actually bring this unit back and dye it. I actually really like the texture of the hair. It's giving me long and blonde. It's giving me very much so Baps. I've been thinking about it. That's been on my mind. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get into the install. I'm going to have all of the details to the hair and the unit down below. If you have any questions, y'all know what to do. Put them down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you. Let's get into this blonde cove, girl. I don't know. As you can see, there's my hair. Nidra is tinting the lace. Nidra, is there anything special that you have to do when you're dealing with blonde hair and dark makeup?
Oh, definitely you have to tint the lace. Definitely. You need to tint the lace because you're definitely not this skin tone.
I'm not that. What you trying to say, Nidra? Why you said definitely?
Well, you know you're chocolate.
I'm chocolate. Okay.
You're chocolate, you know. But I'm going to tint the lace with your makeup that you wear.
Okay.
Your everyday makeup.
With my everyday. So I don't have to buy. I don't have to buy all the extra products like the lace tint and all of that. I don't have to buy that.
I wouldn't suggest it. Just hit it with your makeup and
hit it with the makeup.
Yeah, hit it with your makeup, and that's gonna give you the transparency.
That'll give you your transparency.
Yeah, that we're looking for.
Yeah. Transparency. Y'all gotta be honest. Even with your wig.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. Let's go. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You see, I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you
Hey.
want me the way I want you, but you're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know?
Hello? 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 Listen, I have received a very rare touch. It's different. I love the styling of the hair. The quality of the hair is very, 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 very good. To me, it's giving me almost similar to a yaki texture. Almost. Not quite, but almost. I love the length. I love the color. I am going to keep this unit because I do want to dye it. I don't know if we're going to do blue. I don't know if we're going to do pink. So whatever color that you want to see me dye this unit just to see how it does, put it down below in the comments. Thank you so much for collaborating with me on this video. I will make sure I have all the details on the unit. I like it. It could be a little bit bigger in the circumference. The lace could have originally been a little bit tinted, a little bit darker to make it easy. And the one thing that kind of was a little bit difficult for me to dealing with the blonde is getting my makeup on it. I felt like I was constantly worried about getting my makeup on the actual blonde part. But other than that, it's cute. And of course, like I said, I received a rare touch. So shout out to Nidra for always doing such a great job and taking her time to really lay my unit. This doesn't have any glue. We used our Even spray. We've been using that instead of Got2b, and 2 thumbs up. So listen, don't ever forget, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Let me know down below, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out.
I wanna ride